Going down the road, step on the brake, pulls to the right. Let off the brake, pulls left, and stays on. Over, I got smoke pouring out of this front caliper. We're doing brakes. Rebuild calipers, replace pads. Rotors will ride. Rebuild kit from the local parts store. Brake assembly lube. 529A has anti-rattle clips. 529 does not. Loosen bleeder screw. Remove line. Remove calipers from truck. Drain. Remove inner pad. With ear and eye protection, this is how you remove the piston. Need a full head of air. Clean calipers, sand with fine paper, and finish with crocus cloth. Pistons to check for cracks. I've got wear marks, but no cracks. Clean until that clean. Make sure the pistons rotate in the bores freely, not warped. Install the square O-ring, lube generously, slide the piston in about halfway in, put your outer seal on piston first, then tap it into the bore. Then press the piston down. Next is high heat paint. Operating high heat temp paint. This is called disc brake quiet, but it's really pad glue. Keeps the pad from chattering and squeaking. Inner pad clips in first, then the outer pad. Calipers installed. Gravity bleeding. Cap off. Gravity bleeding.